Hello everyone, in this video we'll be solving problem 58, length of the last word. The problem statement is given the string S consisting of words and spaces, return the length of the last word in the string. The word is maximal substring consisting of non-spaces characters only. In example number 1, the text is hello world, so the last word will be world and the total length is 5. While in example number 2, the last word is moon, but it has some trailing spaces, so which we need to ignore. So our output should be 4. Similarly, in example number 3, the last word is joy boy, so the output is 6 as its length is 6. Instead of switching to the whiteboard and talking through the solution, let's do a walkthrough of the C# code to understand how to implement this and also talk about the time complexity and space complexity. That would be much faster and easier to understand. We start by initializing the return value, which we will use to store the length of the last word. We then start the for loop from the end because we are looking at the last word. So we do a couple of checks in the for loop. First is we check if s of I, or the character at I, is it an empty space and is return value non-zero. Return value will be non-zero if we have already started iterating through a particular word. If that's the case, we return the return value as the word is complete. We'll encounter this case when we are at this position after the moon is been iterated over. If s of I is an empty space and return value is 0, which means we have just started the iteration or we are at the end where we have not encountered any word yet. So we don't need to do anything. We still need to wait for the word to appear. And in the last case, if either of the conditions are not met, then we start incrementing the return value because that just means that we are now looking at a particular word. After this for loop is complete, we will return this value at the end. The time complexity is O of m, where m is the length of the string and the space complexity is O of 1. As you can see, this solution beats 100% of the submissions made on LeetCode so far in terms of time complexity and almost 45% in terms of memory consumption. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you were able to understand this explanation. The link to the code is available in the description below. Feel free to check that out. If you have any questions, don't hesitate on reaching out to me and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.